What's up guys, Captain Paul here from Sail Monterey. We are adding another boat to the fleet. The boat's name is Calypso. She's been kind of neglected over the last few years. Here she is. As you can see, there are years worth of dirt and doo-doo. Birds are not happy that we're here. Look at this. We are going to restore this boat. Oh my God. It's not as bad as I thought. It's not as thick as I thought. Oh my God.
Woo!
Look at all that pigeon shit. Oh my God, just years worth. Look at this right here. Look at this like mat. Out here on Calypso, the Hunter 356, Tanya and I just finished shoveling all sorts of debris, let me put it that way, out of the cockpit so we can actually see the cockpit again. Check this out. Right? A lot of this seems like, you know, untouched. Look at this. Welcome to Tow Monterey, where we'll tow your forgotten about boat and fix it up and make it sail again. We're gonna start pressure washing, and she needs it. Hey guys, Captain Paul